Get ready, get set, and let's go be readers today. This lesson is called Noticing Consonant Blends. Yum, yum. Readers, I just got done making a smoothie. It was delicious. To make it, I had to use a blender to blend fruit, yogurt, and ice all together. My daughter Millie was painting yesterday and she did some blending too. Color blending. But cooking and painting are not the only way to blend. Readers blend sounds together to make words. You have been learning about consonant blends in Letterland with Mrs. Knippenberg. And today we're going to use that new knowledge you have to give our reading a big boost. Readers, today I want to teach you that you can blend beginning sounds together to help you solve words. You should get your mouth ready to say the beginning parts of tricky words. That's really what we're going to be focusing on today, are those blends at the beginning of words. Students, here is a blends chart that I want to show you so you have it to practice your blends with. Yesterday in Letterland, you worked on S blends with Mrs. K, so you're already becoming experts at these S blends. Let's read them together now. We're going to go like this. We're going to say the letters, S-C, the sound, the blend they make. So in S-C's case, it's sk. And then we'll say what the picture is, scarf. So it'll go S-C, sk, scarf. Let's try that for this one. S-K, sk again, and this time it's skateboard. S-M says sm like smile. S-N says sn like snowman. S-P says sp like spoon. S-T says st like star. Finally, S-W says sw like swing. Kindergartners, S's are not the only letter that can make blends. There are also R blends. In these words, the R attaches to the beginning sound, and it does make it sound a little bit different. So let me show you what that sounds like. There can be a BR blend that says bruh like broom. There can be CR, cr like crayon. DR sometimes tricks kids. Sometimes they want to put a J for it, but the dr sound is DR like drum. FR says fr like frog. GR says gr like grapes, and TR says tr like tree. So those are our R blends. They all have R as their second letter. Kindergartners, there are also L blends. Just like in the actual word, blend. See how L is the second letter? It works together with B to say bl. The same goes for the word block. B-L, bl, block. What's this a picture of? It's a clock, right? Some of you have started to tell time, and that's a clock. Clock starts with C-L, so it's C-L, cl, clock. What are these two letters? F-L says fl for flower. G-L, gl, gloves. P-L, pl, plane. S-L, sl, slide. The last column are H's, which are consonant digraphs like C-H, T-H, S-H that we practiced so hard already in Letterland this year. Kindergartners, I wanted to show you this chart so you have it so you can practice your blends at home. Next, what we're going to do is do a little brain warm-up using some of those blends. So to do this, you're going to need to pause the video and get something to write with, like paper or a whiteboard, and a pencil or a pen or whatever works. So go get that stuff now. Pause the video so it's ready for when you come back, and I'll see you in a few minutes once you have your stuff. All right, kindergartners. Do you have something to write with and something to write on? Well, we are going to warm up now with an activity called Write a Blend. First, you will listen carefully to the word that I say. Then you will write either the whole word or just the blend. You're going to have to listen to my direction for that step. Next, we will check the word to see if you've spelt the beginning blend correctly, okay? Here we go. Listen to the first word. Star. Star. The last two letters for star are already here for you, but what blend do you hear at the beginning that makes the st sound? We talked about it in our blends chart. Go ahead and write the blend that says st now. Okay, I'm going to flip to the next slide. If you are still writing, pause the video because I'm going to show you the answer and I don't want to wreck it for you. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Did you write ST for star? ST does say the st sound, so if you wrote it, great job. Can you think of more words that start with the st blend? St. I thought of one, and it is the word stop. Stop is a word that I thought you could sound out all the letters in. So I did not give you the ending letters here. I want you to write the whole word stop now. There are 4 letters total. Go ahead and write stop now. I'll give you a few seconds. All right, if you need more time, pause the video because I'm going to show you the answer now. It's time to check. All right, we're going to check our word. Stop. It begins, remember, with that ST blend, which says st. O says ah, and P says p. Stop. Stop. How'd you do on that one? Hopefully you did a good job. Next, we have the word smile. Smile. Write the first 2 letters that blend in the word smile. What 2 letters make the sm blend? Write them now. I'll give you a few seconds. All right, we're going to move on to the next slide and check our work. Let's see. Did you write down an S and an M? Yep, S says S and M says Put them together and you get sm for smile. Readers, can you think of more words that start with the SM blend? Sm. Say them aloud now. You can either say them aloud to yourself, or if your parents or brothers or sisters are in the room with you, go ahead and tell them some words that start with sm. Smart, just like you are smart. Here are some more words that I thought of that start with sm. It's kind of a hard one. But I thought of smelly, ha ha ha, and small and smack. Did you come up with some better ones than I did? All right, let's move on now. We are going to try a different blend now. This one doesn't start with an S. The word is tree. Tree. Do you remember that one from our blend chart? What 2 letters make the tr blend? Write them now. I have EE for you, so just write the first 2 letters you hear in tree. So you're on step 2. You should be writing them right now. All right, are you ready to take a peek? Let's see and check our work. All right, we're checking it. T and R work together to say tr in words like tree. Tree. That's a T and an R. Can you think of more words that start with the tr blend? T and R together? Think of some and say them aloud now. Let's see. Let's see if you thought of any of the same ones that I did. Ready? The tr words that I thought of are tractor, truck, trick, and treat. Here's our last word now for this write a blend activity. The word is drum. Drum. Please write the whole word for drum. All right, are we ready to check it out? You had to write 4 letters for drum. Let's see how you did. We're going to check our work. Drum starts with the blend dra, which is D and R together. Dra. So instead of going dra, we're putting them together and we're saying dra. U says and it ends with the sound. So drum. How'd you do? Hopefully thumbs up. All right, and what words can you think of that start with dra? Say them out loud now. What'd you come up with? I thought of drab, drill, and drip are just a few words that I could come up with. Maybe you came up with even more or some of the same ones that I did. All right, kindergarten readers, now it's time to find some blends in an actual book. So you're going to try it out with me, just a few pages of a really awesome book I had at my house. It's called Let's Go for a Drive, and it's by Mo Willems. So it's an awesome elephant and piggy book. Hopefully you have some of these at your house too. In this book, our goal is going to be to read words with blends correctly and really be on the lookout for them. They are covered up a little bit, so we're going to be working on them together, okay? Let me show you what I mean here on this first page. So this book is starting out by Gerald, the elephant, going, piggy. Now see if you can read this part along with me. I have a, I see a blend. It's a G and an R together. So GR together says gr. Piggy, I have a gr. Something that starts with a gr. And then there's this word, idea. Piggy, I have a gr idea. I have the rest of this word covered up that starts with gr. Do you have any guesses about what it could be? What would make sense there? Piggy, I have a gr idea. Piggy, I have a gruesome idea. No, probably not. Piggy, I have a grand idea. Could be. Piggy, I have a great idea. Might be that one. Let's uncover the word ending and see what it could be. Ooh, Piggy, I have a grand, great. Oh, great ends with a T. That would make sense. Piggy, I have a great idea. Great starts with the gr blend. Here's another word that starts with a blend. Let's read this sentence. Read it with me. I bet you could sound it out. And then these are all snap words. Ready? Let's go for a dr. Do you remember what the title of the book was? What would make sense? Let's go for a what? Drive. Drive starts with DR. It makes the dr blend. All right, let's go on to the next page. You guys are doing awesome here. Oh, now I see a word that starts with one of our digraphs, TH. So it's either th or th. We don't know what yet. So Piggy is saying th sounds what? Fun. What would make sense? I don't think it's the. The sounds fun. I'm going to have to uncover it and see. that. That sounds fun. The word that. Oh, awesome. That starts with one of our consonant digraphs. That sounds fun. And look there's a bunch of the word drives that start with our DR blend all in a row. Gerald, the elephant's going drive, drive, drivey, drive, drive. And so is Piggy. Gerald's now shouting, wait! If we are going on a dra, what word do you think that is? Let's see. Drive. We need a, here's an L blend, P and L together. Tell me what that says. Pl, right? If we are going on a drive, we need a pl. Stretch the end of this word together. And we need a plan. Oh, plan is a PL word, plan. If we are going on a drive, we need a plan. And Piggy goes, there's pl again, same word, a plan? Readers, I'm going to stop this book here. I only read the first few pages because now it's your turn. Find all the blends. I want you to be word detectives today. You are on the lookout for all the consonant blends at the beginning of words that you can find. Find the words that begin with consonants while you read, and then show a grown-up in your book. And instead of like jumping up every single time that you find it, you might tear some scraps of paper or use a special tool called Post-it notes if you have them in your house. Sticky notes, some people call them, and mark where there's a blend. Look, I did it right here on this page. Gerald was saying, make a plan and stick to it is what I say. And so I found the word plan and I found the word stick and I marked that they were both blends. Another thing that you can do today that your teacher might ask you to do as part of your attendance check-in, maybe she will, maybe she won't, is your blends chart to practice reading it. So read all the S blends and R blends and L blends, and you could even review the consonant digraphs with the letter H too. That's just going to make you a sharper reader, so when you see them, it's more automatic, okay? Don't forget, get to a great comfy spot, read without any distractions to bother you, read the best you can, and take at least 15 minutes to get some really awesome practice in today, and be on the lookout for those blends. I know you're doing a great job. Keep up the great work, readers. See you next time.